Hey guys, so create new, grab an 11 by 15 is fine, just create it. I'm doing a voiceover, so if it sounds funny, roll with it. All right, so yeah, you're gonna go into File and Place Embedded. So you're gonna bring in like a photo, bring in a photo of yourself or whomever, whatever, have fun with it. Please, there I am. Well, hello. All right, so place the photo. Now we're going to dim this down to 50, well, whatever, 70 something percent, and lock that frame. Add another layer so that you can be working on top of it. Pick a gray and pick the right brush. Pick something hard, pressure point. Hard, what is it? Hard round pressure, yeah. All right, and then turn it down to a smaller size. And then you're going to just be doing an outline of the face, so any of like the major features, so like brows, nose, my mustache and beard, that kind of thing. Okay, so you'll notice that this is obviously sped up a lot. I didn't want you guys to get like insanely bored, so anyway, yeah, feel free to like pause it. If you're following along, just do the outline at your pace and then come back when we're at the end. Okay, so we're at normal speed now. And now that we've done our outline, we can go in and turn off that layer just for a sec, just to see what we're working with. And I think that looks pretty badass. So, no, we can go up to image and then canvas size. You can change the size of your canvas. You can drag the image over to the left so you have a reference when you're working from your outline. Just follow along with what I'm doing here. And then when you click on the actual layer and unlock it, you can grab a hold of course, that image that we put on that layer. So slide it right over and place it wherever you like. And we can turn the opacity back up to 100% and lock the layer. At some point. What am I doing? Alright, groovy. Now we want to layer between that one and layer one. So we're going to just add a layer in between. Make sure you're on the right layer. And label that. I guess we're going to scan, yeah. So now we're going to pick a green, our little monster green. I've already selected one here, but you grab whatever you want. Groovy. Now grab a brush. And it's going to go in between the layers, so you're actually going to go between the white and the outline that you already did. So easy peasy lemon squeezy. There's some skin color for you. Pick a medium tone, of course, because you're going to go darker on some parts and lighter on some parts as well. The shadow if you want. Just maybe decrease your brush size. You can do that with your little brackets. I don't know if that's something that you guys don't already know how to do, but the little brackets on your keyboard. And just go in wherever you feel like there would be darkness. You can look in the photo, obviously, for reference, but on mine, there's quite a bit of light. You can see that on the sides. There's shadow and around the nose. And again, play with your brush size while you're doing that, of course, otherwise it looks muddy. It's already looking kind of spooky, I like it. And obviously don't feel bad about like editing, going back, changing things. Control Z is your friend, or Command Z, sorry. I don't feel bad about like going outside the lines and whatever, because again, it's in between layers. It's all in one layer, so we can easily go in with the eraser tool and get rid of stuff that we don't want. Now we're adding some of the lighter shade, or tint, I suppose you'd call it. I wasn't happy with the color, it wasn't light enough, so went in with something a little brighter. I am looking gorgeous, my god. Oh yeah, so get rid of those eyeballs. So just grab your eraser tool, and we're still working on the same layer, so just go in and neatly get rid of those eyes so we look freaky. I want it to look like a sick, twisted mask kind of deal. Sort of like a classic movie poster. Bela Lugosi, that kind of deal. Look at this. It's coming together. Oh, right. Okay, we're doing lips. Groovy. So make sure your brush is the right size, not gonna jam. Just go for something like a lighter gray, because you don't want your lips to be like super outlined. At some point I feel like I was gonna do something. Alright, here we go. There we go. Now he's gone awry there. I feel like this should be like one of those beauty regime videos. Flawless skin and a fresh face. Okay, we're zooming for some reason. Yeah, that's a face. Oh, I think we're getting into the hair. And if I was thinking clearly, add another layer. If I don't add another layer, just go ahead and do that. I'm just on top of the skin, underneath that layer one. I hope I remember to do that, because that would be really silly. There we go. Who's a good boy? I'm just gonna super speed through this because boring. Just fill in all the hair. It's just one color, so that's why I figured you guys could follow along pretty easily. And then I just grabbed black, and I'm just filling in my little hat in the background there. brings more detail in. Alright, so I've chosen a lighter color and I went with, I dropped the opacity to like whatever it says there, I can't see from here, but just drop it down to whatever is comfortable for you. And this is just a great highlight in the hair, so wherever like the light would catch, and I have curls. Again, this is not realistic in any way, shape, or form, but I mean, just have fun with it. Whatever you think, play with it, have fun, try to capture the shape of your hair, the way it moves, and just where the light would catch in your hair. And so now we're literally just coming to the end of the face. I mean, from now, like the rest is just adding more highlight. Well, I mean, I'm going to finish off the mustache and whatever, but then adding a little bit more highlight to the hair. If you want to add more highlight to the face, there's a lot more I obviously could have done. This is just for the sake of making a fun video and trying to give you a tutorial on turning your face into a monster mask. I don't know. So, yeah. And this is obviously a simplified version of what I normally do, but I wanted this to be something that people that maybe have never done this kind of thing before can get into. So yeah, thank you for stopping by. Guys, Adam Hologram here. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe down below. And also, I'm back in school. I just started school for video game animation and design. And I've also started a Patreon to go along with that to help me get through school, because school is expensive. Not familiar with Patreon, it's an incredible site that makes it super simple, secure, and painless to help support artists like me. The thing is with Patreon, you get to choose how much you donate, so if something as tiny as like $3 a month sounds doable to you, please join me in this adventure. Click down below, head over to Patreon, it'll take like 2 minutes of your time to choose your donation and help me get through school. When you become a patron today, you get exclusive content, and you're gonna get like mail outs. I'm gonna do like digital and physical mail outs at like quarterly, I think, to make it fair for everybody. Thank you so much for your kindness and support, guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.